Hey, this is Dennis. How you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. Good. So we connected Facebook, and trying to see so you need some funding for your fix and flip and trying to scale your portfolio. Is that correct?
Yeah, so I am in the process of trying to scale. So I saw you are like a transactional lender, and so I assume that you do like these deals that other people won't do, like the double closing. So I guess I just wanted to connect with you because I have been an agent for a long time, and I've been doing wholesaling for the past 5 years. And oftentimes you come across deals that the traditional lenders won't, uh, do.
Okay. Wow.
Correct?
Yeah. You sound really young to be in the real estate for that long.
Oh, no, I'm not that young, but well, I'm not that old either, but it's okay.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah. So I mean, this call is just pretty much, basically, you know, get the feel of, find out more about us, right, and see if we could might help to help you scale your business.
Okay, so you do fix and flips and you do short-term lending, right?
So for me specifically, I guess you want to see. So what you're focusing on right now, and then what is your goal?
Well, I'm focusing on doing fix and flips, and I also wholesale.
Okay. Got it. Okay. And then Max, how many fix and flip are you doing, or how many wholesale, like on roughly on monthly?
Well, this year I have been working on five wholesale deals, and I closed one deal that I'm not gonna do a flip, so I'm just gonna fix it up and then refinance and turn it to a rental.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
It's I bought the property. I'm waiting for the tenant to move out, so we're almost there. So I would need about 120,000 for this deal.
So okay, and then for the you mentioned double close. Do you understand the double close process?
So, I guess, tell me how you do it. I guess each person does it differently.
Yeah. So yeah, I want to see what is your knowledge on the double close, and then I could like fill it you in.
The double closing, if as far as I have done it, it works this way. So I take the deal to I get the deal under contract. I get a person to assign the deal to, so they put a deposit on it. So we go to the settlement
Mm-hmm.
table, and my fee. I only do like double closing if the fee is above like $30,000,
Okay.
because people usually have a problem with you making too much money.
Yeah, especially nowadays with the buyers, right? Very selective on their
Yeah,
profit.
they want to see you making like 5, 10,000 max. If you make more than that, they think that you're stealing from them. You know?
Yeah, I understand that. That's why most of my clients come to us for the double close because they feel the same way that their buyers might, um, be upset. So that's yeah, most of our clients come in for those type of service.
Right. So, and then what happened is if the buyer is cash, then I could potentially like he wires the money on the day of the closing. So I could go there and then close the deal and then like with his money, and then sign the paperwork as the actual owner, and
Mm.
then just
Mm.
pass the deal to him. So that's only if the deal is cash,
Okay.
because if you have a lender, then that's not possible because they require more like disclosures.
Mm. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I
So
had
how do you do it?
yeah. So I mean, I have wholesaler that close do a double close with a lender at the end. One of the reason the lender doesn't lend on assignment contracts, so they have to double close. So this case, we just require two things. It's two contracts. We call it AB and the BC contract. So A is the seller, B you as a wholesaler, and then C as an end buyer. So it's pretty much two purchase sale agreement. Um, close in on the same day, and we double close on the same day.
So you want basically I was like I didn't have time to look today, but I just looked briefly, but looks like you require like the seller to sign an agreement saying that he will release the deposit. So you give the money for the deposit and you give the money for the closing and then you get it back right away because the deal is going to close the same day, right?
Yep. So we fund the AB funds, the AB transaction, right? And then the end buyer
Which
will.
is the earnest money deposit.
Oh no, that's the funds. That's the double close. So we double close is one separate service, and then the earnest money deposit is a different service. But also we provide. It's a different process.
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
I got it. I understand. All right, sounds good. So I guess like when I come across a deal, I will give you a call.
And I could give you all my, reference, my website, my social media, any resources that could help you, to make a much smoother process for you and help you scale, your portfolio.
Okay, that sounds good. I will send you my email on a text message.
Yep, it sounds good. And then we also offer. Do you are you open to creative deals as well?
Yes, sometimes I come across them. So I will give you a call when I come across anything that could be a good fit for you, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Sounds good. I will be in touch.
Yep, we keep in touch. Yep. Well,
Okay, my friend, it was a pleasure talking to you, so I'll be in touch.
yeah, likewise. And now, and just text me your email, and I'll send you the what we talk about today.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Well, take it now.
All right, bye now.
Bye.